Hey folks, I did this little one for Patreon. I really do like doing these little meadows, but I did it as a Sky tutorial, and I'm about to do one for you too. So yeah, I've just done so many of them, but I'm sort of doing a new sky. Working out on this acrylic. It's not, I had to trim a little bit off the bottom of this because the corner was missing, but it's now on Etsy for sale for a nominal sum. But I really like painting skies, but I'm changing my skies and making them more complex, which is quite easy by just working all over the painting in one go, rather than trying to finish any particular area at any one time until the end. So I just put, it's called killing the canvas, although this is a small piece of paper with a couple of paintings underneath it. But I think that's quite a nice little painting myself. You might feel differently. But anyway, thanks for looking in. I'll get on with one for you now. Bye bye.